An seachtain seo, táimid ag fáilim faoi mríthair tóg, to take, and the theme of our spellings is creagréthe, death. So we're going to conjugate verbs into the past tense, an aimsir caite, the present tense, an aimsir láithreach, and the future tense, an aimsir áisteanach. And if you look there at the man, he's in the past, the present, and the future. An aimsir caite. Thóg mé, I took. Thóg tú, you took. Thóg sé, he took. Thóg she took. Thóg mar, we took. Thóg sibh, ye took. Thóg siad, they took. Thóg, níor thóg. An aimsir láithreach. Tógam, I take. Tógan tú, you take. Tógan sé, he takes. Tógan she takes. Tógan mid, we take. Tógan sibh, ye take. Tógan siad, they take. An dógan, ní hógan. An aimsir áisteanach. Tógi mé, I will take. Tógi tú, you will take. Tógi sé, he will take. Tógi she will take. Tóga mid, we will take. Tógi sibh, ye will take. Tógi siad, they will take. An dógi, ní hógi. Pláta, plate. Cupán, cup. Scian, knife. Fork, spoon óg, spoon. Salán, salt. Piobar, pepper. Gline, glass. Bowla, bowl. Amach, out. Structure aberta, sentence structure. So we always start with the bríomhar, the verb, tóg, followed by the subject, ábhar. Now we have a mock for a place, so taking something out. And we can also use agus and no or le with to include two items. We can also include a time if we want to make our sentence more detailed. Thóg sibh cupán amach. Ye took out a cup. Tógan tú fork agus scian amach. You take a fork and knife out. Thógi siad salán nó piobar amach amórach. They will take salt or pepper out tomorrow.
Agus tá mé déanta. We're done.